So here's a woofer we got for the Blazer, and unfortunately before I can use it I have to recone it. I actually got two of them, not two of these, but this is a Wolfram AUV1. Got TI basket, 3-inch coils, 300-ounce motor. So what you want to do, so you don't end up like I did when I bought this, you want to put a meter on your posts over here on this side, just one, and then come over and do this side, because the woofer seemed good putting a meter here, putting a meter there. But when I put a meter from here to here, if I have a meter in here I'd show you, but when I put a meter from here to here, I get an impedance reading, and really shouldn't. So that means this driver is bad. If I hooked it up it would play, but I bought it blown for $100, which is really good for this driver. It'll cost me probably about $200 to recone it. I'll recone it at home. But this thing's going to be a monster. So when I recone it, instead of the tall surround, I'm going to go with the mega surround, and instead of the linear spider, I'm going to go with progressive spider. Progressive spider. Of course, you know, with the linear, all the rolls are the same. With a progressive, you know, first roll's bigger, next roll's. So let me see here. I'm gonna set y'all down for just a second here. For those that may not know, this will be a progressive spider. See how the first roll's big, next roll's smaller, next roll's smaller than the others. That one's progressive. They progressively get smaller. I bought this one also, and the coils are great. Unfortunately, the surround is dry rotted. This has already been reconed once, but it sat so long that the surround deteriorated, which sucks, but it is what it is. This is a SSA X-Con. This is also a beast. And unlike the Wolfram, it's going to cost me a couple $100 to recone. This one's only going to cost me like $20 to $35 for a surround. The rest of the woofer is good. It started out as a dual 2. With the recone, it reads 1.5 at the coils. So in parallel, I will have a final ohm load of 0.7, which is pretty decent. Somebody got a lot of glue down there holding that spider in that bad boy. The only thing I don't really like about it is these tinsel leads. It's just like the tinsel leads were from the factory, and they're probably going to hit that cone under high excursion. But they do got these. See, I can't hear that. You see how you hear that? So that pad ought to keep me from hearing that. Which they had these from the factory as well. I believe this also came with Linear Spiders factory. Push terminals are really small on it though. It's gonna make it hard to get some wire in there, so I may do direct leads on this. I ain't sure yet, but yeah, that's just a couple of different subs I've got lined up to eventually use in the BangingBlazer. Don't forget, like, subscribe, thumbs up, keep watching, because when these get done, they will be going in. This one will be first, that one will be second. And we have this guy here. For those that don't know, this is an old school pit bull that knocked all the pillows out the chair so you can lay up there. This is an old school Memphis Mojo M3. This sub here is a beast too, and this guy's in pretty good darn shape actually, even to this day. What I do is I set them where they're these boxes so that it's coned down and off the ground, because the surround sticks out past the basket, and that keeps you from getting a bunch of spider sag from the cone just sitting upright for too long. Which is a good thing, because sag is not ideal. It can make you bottom out easier, it can change the ohm loads, stuff like that. So yeah, again, don't forget, like, subscribe, thumbs up. We'll catch you later. This is BangingBlazer. Peace.